monthsary to my CPG family. I would like to say thank you to all our admins, especially to my co-founder Echo for pushing me to create this happy family. And you are right, masaya nga siya. To Annie Huginay, to our group, and for helping me a lot. To Yao and Sal for helping me to find a new members as well. Thank you very much to Sam for cheering us up, for being there as well. And then to our new admins, Alice and Anna, thank you. Thanks a lot. And then to all our members, thank you for being so sparse, and I say thank you for that. Especially to Baby She, Kai, Lo, Haji, Raj, Jobs, Maris, Yaz. Thank you for being so smart. I love you guys. Once again, happy monthsary. I love you. I love you.
Family, ko nga pala co-founder ng grupong to. Ilabas ka salamat sa inyo, lalo na kay Lola, founder ng CPG, sa mga admin na lagi na nandyan, sa mga members na nagkapasaya sa amin. Sana mag-enjoy lang kayo dyan. Stay pasaway. Love you all. Happy Monday sa ating lahat.
From the bottom of my heart, oh, I love you, I love you, I love you so much. Okay, tayo lahat.
Hi guys! Happy 1 month anniversary CPG. At sa mga new member din, happy anniversary din sa inyo at salamat sa pagtitiwala nyo sa amin. Thanks a lot. God bless. Bye.
Hi CPG family! Ito po si Admin Aris. Bumabati ng happy first monthsary sa ating lahat. Salamat sa pag-join nyo sa grupong ito at salamat sa pagtitiwala niyo sa amin. Enjoy your stay and God bless everyone. Love you!
I love you, CPG family. Thank you for being part of you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you all.
Happy 1 month anniversary po sa lahat at sa CPG family. At saka thank you rin po dahil naging bahagi ako dito sa CPG family. Thank you.
dadami pa ng dadami at magdami pang years ang darating. So, be happy guys, and I hope that live a peaceful life. Thank you so much for being part of your group, certified family group. The short is CPG.